Today, I'm going to show you the way that you can delete a video from your YouTube channel. There are some videos that you don't want on your channel and you're trying to delete one. In this video, let me show you how it's done. Now you can delete a YouTube video either through the YouTube app or the YouTube Studios app. I'm going to show you the process from both of them, so make sure you stick around. Firstly, let's start off from the YouTube app. Open up the YouTube app on your phone. Once you're inside of your YouTube app, you can go ahead and tap on the profile icon on the bottom right. And make sure that this is the channel that you're trying to delete the video of. Tap on View Channel on the top. And here you'll be able to see all of the videos that are available and uploaded to your channel. To delete any video, just tap on the three dots that you see on the top of any video. And here you'll have the option called delete. You can just tap on the delete option and then tap on delete again. This way your video will be immediately removed from your YouTube channel. Now to do the same process on the YouTube Studios app, open up the app and head over to the content section on the bottom. From here as well, you can see all of the videos that are uploaded. Tap on the three dots that you see on the right hand side of the video. And then you can tap on the delete option. Tap on delete again. And just like that, your video now has been removed from your YouTube channel. So that was a quick few steps that you need to take in order to delete a video from your YouTube channel. I do hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a big thumbs up.